How to set screensaver on Mac? First things first, you want to go to settings. To go to settings, here you can see I have it on the dock. If not, you can go to the Apple logo and then click on system setting. Or you can just press command plus space and type in settings. Once you are here, you can see there is no dedicated screensaver option. Now this was already available when you were working with any OS that was below macOS Tahoe. Now I have already upgraded it to macOS Tahoe, so I want to go to wallpapers. In the wallpapers on the top side, you can see we have an option called screensaver. Click on it and here you can see when you want the screensaver to start. For now, by default it is set on 5 minutes. Here you can see use screensaver. You have two options, automatic and custom. I'm just going to leave it at custom because that is much easier. And Tahoe Day, which is the default wallpaper or the wallpaper that comes with macOS Tahoe, is the default screensaver. What do I do to change it? Well, I can just scroll down and here you can see I have multiple options like I do with the wallpapers as well. And over here you can see under macOS we have multiple options. I can select one of those. You just have to scroll sideways to see them, or you can just click on show all or show less. If not, you can just go to landscape, cityscape, underwater, earth. Let's say for now I want to set it to earth. So I select Middle East and it's going to automatically download, as you can see, and then it is by default set to 5 minutes. So for now I'm going to click on done. For now, here you can see it is currently set on Tahoe Day, but if I go to screensaver, you can see that it is on Earth Day. So if I want to get a preview, I can just click on preview, and as you can see, this is a very nice screensaver. Alternatively, you can just press done, and if you want to see the preview of the screensaver or just turn it on, you can go to Action Center. This is your Action Center button, click on it, and then you can see there is a button called Screensaver. Now, how do you get this button? You just have to click on Edit Controls. You can just look up Screensaver by searching on it. I'm just going to type in Screensaver. And here you can see under lock screen, we have Screensaver. You can just add that over here or click on plus, add to Control Center. And I have now two Screensaver buttons. So, I can just turn them on by a click. Now, you need to note one thing, that it is actually also going to lock your screen. So you are going to be locked out of your profile. Probably that's why you just got cut off. So hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.